This is good. This is good. Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Red and Kitchen. Already back from the office. Yesterday I didn't have much stuff inside my fridge. I used this app where basically you can buy unsold food from groceries, restaurants. I paid €5 only. It's funny because you don't know what's inside, and really you can play with ingredients. You have to force yourself coming up with new ideas. Let's go. So, sort of brioche, maybe this one for breakfast. This is good. This is good. Salad on this side. What else? Bread again. Ooh, I think it's sort of salmon. Cool. I like it. Cevapcici vamrind? No idea. No idea. It's sort of sausage. As you can see, there is a discount also to all the other ingredients because they are close to the expiry date. Again, the same. Okay. Tzatziki. It's like, I think it's like Greek sauce, sort of yogurt. And what's here? Yogurt. It's again a sort of sauce for the salad. Okay. I think you have in mind what we can make, so let's go. I will propose 2 sandwiches in case you are more for the meat or for the fish. We back to our board and we cut them into slices. Then I prepared 2 bowls. Where on one side we will prepare the salad with this balsamic oil. I think it's more appropriate to stress more the taste of the fish. On the other side, the other bowl, we will put the Greek sauce for the meat. Since it's fat, we need something fresh. We can move to the next step. The fish is ready. Just we prepare it. We cut. And put aside. And we move on the meat. And we prepare the pan, and when it's very warm we put it. No olive oil because when you cook it, it releases a lot of oil. Salt, and we toast per side. Couple of minutes and we are ready. And the bread. One we will toast on the same pan of the meat. The other bread instead I didn't toasted. I want to try this variation for the fish. We move to the decoration. We start with the meat. We put our salad with the Greek sauce, our meat, the other one. We put the balsamic oil, our salad, and the fish. Done. So, guys, have you seen? I didn't add any other ingredient. I used what I found inside the bag, and it was super funny. Something fast we made in really 10 minutes, and most important, we saved food. I'm not promoting this app, just to show you there are these opportunities. I think it's a nice gesture. Together we can make big changes. Guys, I hope you like this video. Here you can find the link for the subscription if you would like to support me, and I will leave you other contents, and see you next time. Ciao a tutti.